BIOGAS from the Machoge Church, particularly Ogembo Division and Kerala location. I'm the beneficiary of this program since last year, where the BIOGAS was installed in my home, and since then we have benefited mainly from two or three things. Because now I cannot tell you, we don't buy gas. We used to buy gas. We don't buy gas. We used to buy topping. This fertilizer for topping. We don't buy. It's in print, and that's the main reason I'm very happy to buy gas. Since then, it's working up to now.
You sell the fertilizer?
No, it's for my personal use of the family.
This of cost perhaps is also a concern. How, in comparison perhaps with the past, how cost effective is it?
I could say it's cost effective because I used to give out 2,000 every month. Every month, at least minimum 2,000. But I don't now spend. I have the cows in my family. We get the raw material in the family. The system is solved. The duty of my wife plus the children is to feed it every month. Every month. The main challenge is made to care. If you don't care, it can be destroyed. The only challenge, but the rest of the system is working well. So long as you have the cow, at least minimum two, you are comfortable. There is no another challenge.
System Bio is launching the KC Hub. So you're most welcome. With us today are farmers that have benefited from our technology. We have members of our team and you, the members of the press, and very many stakeholders in the regenerative agricultural space whom we are working with in this very noble occasion. Bio works with smallholder farmers. Our objective is to help farmers convert the waste that they have into energy. So basically, farmers who have cow dung, pig dung, or poultry dung are able to convert that dung into energy in the form of gas and also generate biofertilizer that they can use to improve the soil health.
I'm Michael Makori, the County Program Coordinator of Agricultural Sector Development Support Program 2. In the county, we are the program that pioneered to this biogas from Systema, whereby we are promoting green energy in the county, especially from livestock, where we don't want the green gases like methane to pollute the air, the environment. Then we went to the internet and we found that by Systema they are promoting biogas, especially which we have used to support the farmers. And we supported eight groups, 8 farmers. One of them is the one who has just talked. And we supported fully with the system. And then the farmer provided the raw material and the animals and they produce the gas on the farm. So far, the 8, nobody has reported any failure. It's success. They have cut down on the use of gas. These are the gas, liquid petroleum gas. Now they are saving and they are making more money. And our objective is money in the pocket and food on the table. So we have cut the cost of the farmers as well as given them clean energy. And we will continue supporting more groups as our funding continues.
Globally, we are in business for the last 12 years, but in Kenya, we've been in existence since 2017 in July. We have so far installed 13,000 biodigesters in Kenya, and almost all of them, if not all of them, are working, and they have helped farmers to improve their energy situation in the home. We have helped farmers to reduce on damage to the environment through reduction in cutting of trees, so no more firewood is used in the kitchen. Farmers are using gas, clean gas, so no more charcoal, and they're also able to generate or improve the crop production by using the biofertilizer that they generate. So we have no failure rate. Our technology works, and we've impacted so many lives all over the world. And all the 13,000 farmers in Kenya are happy, and they continue to spread the gospel to the other farmers.
Mopanya. I work for Kisii County Department of Agriculture, and I'm also county focal person for the Micro Enterprises Support Program Trust activities which are in Kisii County. I'm proud to be associated with Sistema Bio, being county focal person. We were instrumental in installing the plant that is just here. The Micro Enterprise Support Program Trust, through the Agri-Fee and GEA programs, envisions a clean environment, green technologies, applicable green technologies amongst our farmers, and also the issues of gender. We are all aware that biogas not only provides energy that is renewable, that is cheap, but also mitigates for some of the gender extremities that there can be, where in many cases we might find kitchens which are smoky and detrimental to the health of mainly our sisters and mothers and wives. But this provides a solution which provides clean energy, renewable energy in an environment which is good, and also will allow fast cooking and reducing the costs of even producing food. So we're happy that Sistema is launching today full scale within the county, and we do hope and will support as the program green employment in agriculture to ensure that there are more decent jobs. People will use that technology to generate other jobs, entrepreneurship, and also that will reduce the pollution in the environment. The sky is not the limit, because indeed, even when you look at the dairy farmers that we have about maybe 70% of them that have not adopted the technology. So indeed, if we are able to harness even half of that, we'll indeed have gone far in terms of reducing pollution and reducing costs of production, and